If you love spicy and tangy food, then you must try this recipe called Chinese Bhel, and anyone can make it very easily and quickly. First, in a bowl, put 150 grams of cooked noodles, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, salt and mix well. These noodles are ready to fry. Now in a pan, put oil for frying and heat it well. Now in this, put prepared noodles and fry it on a high flame until crispy. Next, in other pan, put 2 tablespoons of oil, add 1 onion chopped lengthwise, 1 carrot chopped lengthwise, 1 green capsicum chopped lengthwise, 2 tablespoons of yellow capsicum chopped lengthwise, 2 tablespoons of red capsicum chopped lengthwise, 1 bowl cabbage chopped lengthwise, 2 tablespoons of spring onion, half teaspoon salt and mix well and saute for 1 minute on high flame. Now add 4 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar and mix well. Next, break fried noodles well. Put prepared vegetables and mix well. Now add spring onion and garnish it. Tangy and spicy Chinese Bhel is ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.